What's up, everyone? Welcome to sunny and colorful and freezing Colorado right now. We're just doing a little road trip up in the mountains, and we pulled off the side of the road to just do a quick little demonstration of how you can do a hyperlapse with the Skydio 2. And it's actually really simple. So I'm gonna go launch the drone and then come straight back here because there's heat and it's warm. And then once I launch the drone, I'll switch you guys over to my feed and show you exactly how to do a hyperlapse of your own. So right now, as you can see, it is freezing out, hence why I'm flying from in the car. But I am just going to fly the Skydio with the boost button over to the first point that I want my hyperlapse to start at. So that's what I'm doing now. Alright, so now that I've gotten to the first point where I want my hyperlapse to start, I'm going to go over to the cable cam function. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the first spot that I want the hyperlapse to start at. So I'm going to hit set A, and then I'm going to just hit boost mode and fly as fast as I can over to where I want point B to be, which is just a straight line basically down the road. And once I'm at point B, super simple. All I'm gonna do is hit set B, and then it automatically makes B that point in the air. Then all I do is hit record. I'm gonna probably do like 3 miles an hour for this one, and then all you need to do is press go back to point A, and then what the drone is gonna do is go slowly back straight to point A where it came from. So now it's just a waiting game, sitting around waiting for it to do its thing. So after it's done, I'm gonna take you guys to the computer and show you how to post-process it into something that you can use for videos. Alright, so we just got back to point A, so that's the entire workflow of it. So now I'm just gonna bring the drone back, plug in the SD card, and show you how to post-process it. Alright guys, so the final step of this is just the post-processing, so I'm going to go in here and just show you how to do that on Final Cut, which is the editing software that I use for all my videos. If you're on Premiere, you can just use Warp Stabilizer and the same thing. Like I said, I'm on Final Cut, so new project, Hyperlapse, boom. This one, I'm going to do it in 4K 30, press OK. And then all I have to do is come down here and find the Skydio footage. This is the full video. So the entire video was just over 4 minutes long. And as you can see, it is a little bit shaky. But what I'm going to do to combat that is just apply a stabilizer. So first, I'm going to Shift N and just retime this. I probably only want it to be like 4 or 5 seconds. So I'm just gonna move that down. Yeah, I think like 5 seconds will probably be good. So I'm gonna move that there, and then I'm gonna come over, I'm gonna apply Final Cut's stabilizer. But Final Cut stabilizer honestly isn't that good. So what I have down here is a plugin from Pixel Film Studios, and it's just a stabilizer. So I'm gonna apply that. I am going to run through this track editor, which is how this stabilizer works, and then I will show you guys the result at the end. Cool, so this is all stabilized out and everything, and this is the result. So yeah, as you can see, it's a little bit shaky. It was pretty windy at the time that we did this. It wasn't the best hyperlapse conditions. Just to show you another example of a hyperlapse that I took with the Skydio, I'm going to play you guys another one right now. That is just a quick little tutorial of how to do a hyperlapse with the Skydio. It's a super easy workflow, so for those of you who are interested in that, I hope that helps. During the outro, I'm just going to play some more Skydio 2 footage that I got on this flight because it turned out super cool. But other than that, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, anything, let me know in the comments, and I will see you on the next one.